End cap. The end cap is multi-purpose, and you can use it for inside corner installations to remove the need of a bracket using this drillable channel that we've included here. Plastics in some products may be considered cheap. We've definitely had a pretty significant eyeball on that, and you can drill inside of that channel and mount a screw without worrying about our components ever cracking. You can also tack this with a finish nailer if you have one. Or maybe you have a stapler. 20 to 22 degree, 3.5 inch nail. Maybe you just bought a new impact gun that you're dying to use. We've also designed it so you can screw a hook into the side if you want to try to hang something in a shop, garage, office application. So you could use a small hook for, say, something like a backpack, or you could use a larger hook to hang a tool or a set of extension cords anytime.